Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, I shall learn that how we can create a ocean in Blender by using Ocean Modifier. So let's start. Delete everything. Press Shift A to add a plane. Scale it. Make it shade smooth. And press Tab to edit mode. And subdivide this plane up to 50 number of cuts. Beautiful. Back to the object mode. Now in modifier section, I apply Ocean Modifier in physics list. Beautiful. Here are the different options of the Ocean Modifier, which can be used to increase the height of this wave and the number of the waves. From here we have different types of waves. Spectrum, this is the turbulent ocean. You can convert this to the shallow water waves. Beautiful. You can also convert established ocean and established ocean sharp peaks. I select shallow water waves. And from scale option we can increase the height of the waves, like here. Beautiful. And the resolution value in viewport and rendered view, we can change this value to find more detail of the waves. Like in viewport I increase this value 15, then the more detail of the waves are added to the plane. So just keep in view that if we increase the resolution, viewport and rendered value, then the more details are added to your system, and you should choose the value according to your system configuration. So I make it 7 because the result in viewport and rendered is also the same by equalizing these values. So I animate this. For this I give the keyframe to the time value. From here I select a keyframe and insert keyframe, and now the timeline is 250, and here I change the value up to 5 and insert another keyframe. Beautiful. Now if I run the simulation, the waves are oscillating like this. Beautiful. We can also make these wave linear in interpolation mode, and here select linear, and now these waves are linearly oscillate. Beautiful. Now I assign material to this ocean, enter into the shading mode, and I open the asset browser. From here I select material and I assign some glass type or water type material to this ocean, like this. beautiful. And if we run the simulation back to the timeline, then it's act like a ocean. So in this way we can easily create ocean and the waves oscillating by using Ocean Modifier in Blender. Thanks for watching.